Welcome. Let's dive into how to link your bank account to YouTube. This is your gateway to earning money through Google AdSense. First, navigate to your AdSense account. Look for the Payments section on the dashboard. Next, click on Add Payment Method. You'll see various options available for linking your bank account. Select your bank, enter the required information, including your account number and routing code. Once done, hit Save. You'll see a confirmation message if everything is correct. Remember to verify your bank account by following the instructions in your AdSense account. You're now ready to earn. Ensure you have a valid email address linked to receive updates about your payments. Keep track of your earnings and payments by regularly checking your AdSense dashboard. If you encounter any issues, refer to the AdSense Help Center for support. Now that you're set up, focus on creating amazing content and watch your earnings grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time as you keep growing your channel and your earnings.